How to create YouTube channel or how to make a new YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you to the steps on how you can create or make new YouTube channel. Well, the process is simple, so let me guide you through. Now, in order to create new channel, you can simply open up YouTube, and from here you can tap on the profile icon at the bottom right and then tap on switch account option. Here now you can tap on plus icon at the top right, and now you can enter in your new Google ID. Now you'll need new Google account that hasn't been used on any YouTube account so you can simply enter in your email and log in, and once you have new email you can go ahead and create the new account using that particular Google account as well. All you need is a new Google account and it's pretty simple. So this is how you can easily create YouTube channel or make a new YouTube channel. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.